Hi, this is Ken's Automotive. We're here today working on a 2006 Chevy Impala. We're going to install some lights on it out here for you. They're very easy to install. Only thing you need is the headlights themselves. Right here, got a 7mm and a clip that belongs to here. More likely this car didn't have a clip on it, so we had to put the clips in it. But anyway, that is the scenario of this here. The only thing you're doing, we're gonna get a headlight here. Get a headlight and just install your headlights here.